Tired of losing customers because your online store is a maze? Let's ditch the frustration and unlock the power of Aisensy's WhatsApp catalog. Why you're the secret weapon to turning chats into checkouts. Here's how to set it up and start selling directly within WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the catalog section on the dashboard. This is your command center for creating and managing your product showcase. Next, click on the Add Product button. A new window will pop up, ready for you to fill in all the juicy details about your amazing offerings. Now, carefully fill in the product name, a compelling description that highlights the benefits, the price. And don't forget to upload high-quality images that make your products irresistible. The better the images, the more likely customers are to buy. So make sure they are well lit and professional. Once your products are added, they'll automatically appear in your WhatsApp business account, accessible through a convenient catalog icon. Customers can now browse your catalog directly within WhatsApp, add items to their cart, and send you their order, streamlining the entire purchase process. Finally, use Aisensy's order management tools to track orders, manage inventory, and provide exceptional customer service, all within the same platform. Aisensy allows you to fulfill and track customer orders with ease. And that's it. By using Aisensy's WhatsApp catalog, you're creating a seamless shopping experience that leads to increased sales and happier customers.